The students of Olabisi Anabanjo University, Group 3 of Agricultural Extension and Rural Sociology, proudly present to you a presentation titled Role of Logic in Evaluating Everyday Arguments and Improving Human Reasoning in Contemporary Nigerian Society.
Good day, sir and ma'am. My name is Shomide Marvelous Emmanuel, a student of Olabisi Anabanjo University, a College of Agricultural Science, Department of Agricultural Extension and Rural Sociology. So I'm the group leader for Group 3, and I am presenting on a topic that says the roles of logic in evaluating everyday arguments and human reasoning in contemporary Nigerian society. So what is logic? Logic is a branch of philosophy that deals with correct reasoning and clear critical thinking. It helps people to examine ideas carefully and determines whether a statement or a conclusion is reasonable and valid. An argument in logic does not mean a fight or a disagreement. It refers to a set of statements where some statements called premises are used to support another statement known as the conclusion. So logic is very important because it helps individuals to think critically and avoid mistakes in reasoning and make better decisions in everyday life. Thank you.
I will be explaining the meaning of logic and argument. Logic is a branch of philosophy that studies how people reason correctly. Why an argument in logic is a set of statements where the premises support a conclusion. Thanks.
Good day, everyone. My name is Olade Prince Christiana. I'm here to talk on valid reasoning and invalid reasoning. Firstly, a valid argument is one where the conclusion follows correctly from the premises. Examples: all mammals are animals. Dogs are mammals. Therefore, dogs are animals. This argument is valid because the conclusions follows logically from the premises. What is an invalid argument? An invalid argument is one where the conclusion does not follow logically. Some students are intelligent. John is a student. Therefore, John is intelligent. This argument is invalid because the premises does not prove that John is intelligent. Thank you.
My name is Umubayodo. I will be discussing sound and unsound argument. A sound argument is an argument that is logically correct and also based on true facts or premises. Example: all humans need oxygen to survive. Nigeria are women. All Nigeria needs oxygen to survive. This argument is sound because the reasoning is correct and the premises are true. What about unsound argument? An unsound argument is an argument that contains false premises or weak reasonings. E.g., for example, all politicians are corrupt. Mr. John is a politician, therefore Mr. John is corrupt. This argument is unsound because the first statement is an overgeneralization and not complete truth. Thank you.
My name is Sheton Radimsola. I want to discuss the role of logic in Nigerian society. Logic helps people to detect the fake news, avoid manipulation, helps to make better decisions, especially during election and on social media. Thank you.
My name is Model Esther, and I would like to explain logical fallacies. Logical fallacies are errors in reasoning that weakens argument. Examples include ad hominem, bad organ fallacies, and false cause.
Good day, everyone. My name is Odunfa Oluwashimiri, and I'll be talking about critical thinking. Critical thinking involves carefully analyzing information before accepting it. It's also.
My name is Adetoma Lurapo Aminat. I will discuss logic and social media influence. Logic helps social media users to verify information, identify fake news, and separate facts from hope.
My name is Abaochi Biku Martin, and I'll be giving some relevant Nigerian examples related to how logical thinking affects decision-making in society. In Nigeria, many people are influenced by false promises during election, especially when politicians make unrealistic promises that cannot be achieved. Another example is Ponzi scheme like MMM, where many people lost money because they believe they would get quick profits without properly examining the risk involved. We also see false health claims such as unverified herbal remedies shared on social media and decisions influenced by tribal or religious bias instead of competence and facts. These examples show why logical thinking is important in everyday life. Thank you.
My name is Shomide Marvelous Emmanuel, and I will be concluding the presentation by saying that logic is very important in everyday life because it helps people to think clearly, reason properly, and make right decisions. It enables individuals to distinguish truth from falsehood, identify weak or misleading arguments, and also being influenced by emotion, rumors, or false information. In a society like Nigeria, where information spread quickly through social media and public discussions, logical thinking helps people to evaluate issues carefully before making decisions. Logical thinking also promotes critical thinking, better judgment, and responsible citizenship. Therefore, developing logical thinking skills is very important for personal growth and peaceful coexistence and national development. Thank you for listening.